welcome to
Springs Preserve.
There's even something to eat.
Yes! There's... Finally!
Anong food dito?
Natuloy din tayo sa ating Springs Preserve. Last time kasi pumunta kami, sarado pala sila ng Tuesday and Wednesday. Tapos bukas dapat kami pupunta, Memorial Day. Buti na lang nabanggit ni Daddy James na sarado ng Monday. So, we're here sa mismong main entrance. Mamudaan.
And we even go in the
That's a paru-paru.
Last day na bukas ng butterfly habitat, kaya
mommy.
pupuntahan na namin ngayon. Butterfly garden. Oh, may food truck pala dito ngayon. May food truck pala sila ngayon.
There's more.
Oh, there's the food truck. Uy, Filipino-Mexican, no? Ano kaya yan? Chicken asado. Lumpia in a cup. Salt and pepper lechon. May food truck sila. Bango! Cooling station. Ooh. Ang layo. Ang layo pa pala nun. There's a lot of butterflies.
Ba't pala mag-tayo?
Ginagaya mo yung fly nila. Oh, kakaiba kasi siya eh. Trail guys. Kitchen garden.
Let's go.
May event pa namin. Take the pencil too.
We are going to find butterfly
Ladybug, leaf, garden pot.
and even
I'll go.
bee.
Let's start here.
Let's find
Did you find a leaf?
Oop.
Ako, encircle mo. Ano, ganun mo. Ay, check me, check. I think. Ito, that's a leaf. Circle. What else? Flower. A garden house.
Your flower. Ano yun? Anong bunga yun? Ayun. Kinakain yun, di ba?
Parang pumpkin.
Kinakain yan eh, matamis yan eh, parang berry.
Hindi ko alam.
wow. Mommy, where's that bird?
Ano, ayun na, nagtago na siya. Silent.
Why? I found it.
You see it?
Is there a bird?
Alam ko kinakain yan eh.
A bird?
Hindi yan kinakain.
A big
Malason ka dyan.
Big.
Ayun o.
Kinakain yan.
Ayun oo. Ang laki na.
Oh,
mommy.
peach.
Mommy.
Oo.
Mommy. Let's get this in back.
Teo, may prutas.
What kind of fruit is that?
I
Ito.
don't know.
Ayos pala magtanim ng ano no.
Peach.
Oo, namumunga.
Peach.
Peach. Peach. Spider web.
You see a
Ayun no, may banana oh.
cactus.
Uy,
Banana.
may cactus ba dyan, Teo? Banana.
Vegetable. Pumpkin.
Garden.
What's that?
Saging. Nabuhay yung saging no. Kailangan dyan maraming tubig.
Correct. I cut this head.
Yung saging. Pero di siguro mamumunga yan. Ayos din oh.
What's this tayo? Tomatoes.
Wow.
It's a tomato. Ito, ano pa lang siya. This is the flower. and
Tingnan ang ginagawa nila.
when the flower, it will
Tinatanggal nila yung iba para ano, mas lumaki yung ano,
touch tayo.
mas lumaki yung ibang prutas. Isaging.
Banana.
Wow.
Layer.
Ito parang ito.
Ito, ano kaya ito? Ganda oh. Parang artichoke. Ano to?
Tomatoes. Pwede pala tayo magtanim ng tomato.
Kailangan nasa ano?
Pwede tomato.
Nasa ganyan. Artichoke nga yun.
What's this tayo?
Ito, artichoke to eh. Saan?
No, it's not a banana. Squash butterbeer.
Parang banana.
Looks like, parang banana.
Pwede siguro mamitas dito. Ito, artichoke yan eh.
Mommy, let's go up.
Ito muna tayo.
Mommy, let's go
Ayun,
up.
okay.
Wait, okay lang.
Oo.
Kala ko ano yun, parang
Mommy, let's
Go
go up.
up. Ayun o, may bees tayo. Tayo may bubuyog oh. Takot siya, natakot. Ha? Oh, laki. Ganyan pala yung
Look at the bee.
Ganyan yung mga bees tayo.
And
Ayun o.
onions. Look at that oh.
Tayo ito.
Pinapollinate.
Ayun yung spider web.
Where?
Ayun o.
Ayaw nga.
Sa onion. Ang laki ng onion na to. Ang
There's a
galing.
spider web.
Pinabayaan na nila mamulaklak.
I cannot see the spider web.
Ayun o, ito o.
Ayun, spider web.
Ayun.
Like a string. Like a...
Ito,
Only one
Yung
is
pang ano.
deal with. Hindi pala deal with yan.
Ay, hindi.
Ano yan? Parang deal, no? Clover yata yun eh. Namunga na sila dito sa logpas na. Ito anong tawag dito? Ewan ko. Parang kale din yan.
We see this tayo. What else did you see? Vegetable. What is a tomato?
Yung pumpkin,
Is it
di ba
a
nakakita ka
fruit
ng
or
pumpkin?
vegetable? Pumpkin ba yun? Parang ano eh.
Ay, wala pa pala. Spider web.
Where? Oh, up.
Kanino? Ladybug na lang, tsaka yung butterfly, hindi mo nakikita.
Seeds. Di ka nakakita ng seeds.
Fruit tree.
Baka din meron na.
Yeah.
Tree.
Cherry.
Tiny.
Bukado yan ah.
Fruit tree.
Ha?
Prutas yun ah, avocado.
Ah.
Butterfly. Butterfly. Butterfly.
Ito, mint. Ang lago ng mint, maganda mag-alaga ng mint. Malago siya, parang basil. Red Russian.
Ay, red
Mommy, let's
Baho. May utot. Baho. Dito, punta kayo. Ano mo yan? Amag.
Ghost chocolate.
Yung amag siguro yung naamoy dyan. Baha. Ito tayo yung
Mommy.
Succulents. Cactus. What's that?
anong tawag dyan?
What's that?
This one is for kids. This one is for grown-ups.
Ano ang tawag dyan? Hindi naman ikaw yung kausap ko. Itong kito na to. Ito maganda itanim doon sa harap oh. Hindi sila namamatay oh. Dapat doon ka magsitayo oh. Alis ka dyan mami. Tayo. Tayo lang. Tayo. Wow, butterfly. Look at here. Sunshine. Sun. Sun.
Ganito.
So.
That's right.
Oh? Anong oh? Oh?
Sun.
Galing.
Yeah, what is that?
Oh,
Huh?
come here.
This one.
Halika dito, sulat mo.
I'm just going to the bathroom.
Rock. Ganun no? Rock. Rock. That's right.
Don't do that. Ano lang.
Rock.
What letter? See?
Go.
And K.
Rock.
Rock. Like red rock.
Rock?
Kasi may cake.
Yun sa huli. Rock.
Not only with the C, like rock. Rock.
C-K.
Raw.
C-K.
With a K.
R-O-C-K.
Nice.
Smelly.
Ay, yung kanina na na.
This one's very detailed. Yeah. I don't know how detailed I can get.
Sarap.
Come on, buddy. Come on.
Where's the Philippines? Oh, ang dami naglagay sa Philippines ah. Mm-mm.
Ito ba?
Yeah. Yan, Luzon.
Ito, Palawan.
Yeah.
Mindoro. Mindoro, Palawan.
Ba't yun?
Biker. No touching. Only hawak. What?
zebra and a horse. Hidden forest creature. Tayo, what's that? What's that thing?
Inside the Eiffel Tower.
There's a lot.
Mommy, look.
Oh!
I want to take a picture.
Come here, Tayo. Ay, nag-ride na tayo. We're here at Las Vegas. Bye!
It's moving.
Oh no! Where are we going now? To Los Angeles or Salt Lake City? Samtown, Old Town. Boomtown pala to.
Short-faced bear, the familiar-looking Camelot, the American lion, and the earth horse. Life in this period was so robust and thriving, it's hard to imagine the devastation that climate change was about to bring. Over the next 10,000 years, temperatures rose steadily.
Yan ano.
And how about this?
Ano tawag dun sa pants na yun?
Cargo pants.
Cargo pants.
Cargo shorts.
Cargo na ano, loose.
Frog. Mommy, that one is only for babies.
This area? How about here? Ay, walang splash pad. Yeah. Dahil doon sa rubber. Sobrang init. Mainit. So hot eh. Aray ko. Dahil sa nini.
Daddy,
Rubber.
this one is a snake.
Haba, no?
Hmm?
Can see it here.
Okay. Let's just sit.
And after we will climb here.
Go. Pelis ka dyan. That was it, guys. We're done at Susarti. How was it?
See ya.
How was it, Tayo? Sobrang init lang, grabe. Hindi pa totally summer pero grabe yung init. Babalik kami siguro mga pag medyo malamig-lamig yung panahon. Bye!
Bye.